Welcome to Stellenbosch University and welcome to the Department of Horticultural Sciences. If you've ever wondered how the fruit on your plate is produced, how flowers reach markets around the world, or how science helps feed a growing global population, then horticulture might be exactly where you belong. Horticulture is the science behind the production and handling of fruit, nuts, vegetables, and flowers, all the way from farm to consumer. It's a hands-on, it's practical, and it plays a critical role in food security, sustainability, and the future of agriculture. So what exactly is horticultural science? Well, at its core, horticulture is about producing high-quality crops in high quantities year after year, while using science to do it more efficiently and sustainably. As a horticultural student, you're exposed to the entire production chain, from pre-harvest, where crops are grown and managed in the field, to post-harvest, where fruit and flowers are stored, packed, shipped, and delivered to consumers. We often describe this as from farm to fork. And this holistic approach is what makes horticulture such a powerful and versatile degree. Our program follows a modular teaching approach, which means that you build a strong scientific foundation first and then apply it to real crops and real industries. In your first year, you focus on the fundamentals. You learn how plants are classified, how they are built, how they function, all this through plant morphology and anatomy. In your second year, you move into plant propagation. You'll learn how plants are multiplied through cuttings, grafting, layering, seed production, and even tissue culture. There are skills used every day in nurseries and commercial production systems. And by the time you reach your third year, the degree becomes more crop focused. You'll learn and work with deciduous fruit, citrus, avocados and macadamias, ornamental plants, and cut flowers. Here you study both vegetative growth and reproductive growth, while learning how the global and South African horticultural industries operate. And in your fourth year, everything comes together. You dive deeper into tree physiology and architecture, understanding how trees grow, how they enter dormancy, and how orchards are managed in practice. You explore ecophysiology, where you study photosynthesis, water relations, stress physiology, and how plants respond to their environment, including modern technologies used in agriculture today. You also take plant nutrition, learning how nutrients move through plants, how roots functions, and how deficiencies actually affect crop performance. Post-harvest physiology is another key component. Here you learn how fruit maturity is measured, how controlled atmosphere storage works, and how quality is maintained from harvest to export. And finally, every student completes a research project where you learn scientific writing, data analysis, and presentation skills, all which are essential for both industry and your postgraduate studies. But horticulture at Stellenbosch isn't just about lectures. You'll spend time in orchards, in nurseries, laboratories, pack houses, and research facilities. This hands-on training ensures that when you graduate, you don't just understand theory, you understand how horticulture works in the real world. Our students work closely with lecturers and industry partners, gaining exposure to production challenges and cutting-edge research. One of the biggest advantages of studying horticulture is career flexibility, because you work across so many different crops: deciduous fruit, citrus, subtropical crops, and flowers. Your skills are in demand across the agricultural sector. Graduates go on to work as farm or orchard managers, quality and export managers, technical consultants, post-harvest specialists, nursery managers, researchers, and even entrepreneurs. Horticulture is recognized as a scarce skill both in South Africa and globally. This means strong employment prospects and opportunities to work not only locally but internationally. And the future? Well, the importance of plant science is only growing, from climate resilience and sustainability to innovations like food production in space. So if you're curious about plants, if you enjoy science with real-world impact, and if you want a career that combines biology, technology, and sustainability, well then horticultural science at Stellenbosch University could be the perfect fit for you. We invite you to explore the program, ask questions, and imagine yourself as shaping the future of food and plant production. Welcome to Horticulture, and welcome to Stellenbosch.